Hey there friends, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change the batteries on this Nest. This is a Google Nest Thermostat. Let's do it. Okay, so we recently got the batteries are low on our Nest Thermostat here, and so we're gonna need to change them. And this is actually obviously super simple. We're just, oh, there we go. We got a little bit, you can see the battery is super low. Basically what we can do is we can just pull on this and it's gonna come off of its stand. And that is going to reveal the batteries right and back. Now these are two AAA batteries. So basically what we'll do is we'll just pull those out and we'll replace them with new ones. Okay, there you go. New batteries are in. We're using the Energizer Max batteries, and you can just follow the little pattern underneath to make sure your positive and negative ends are on the right end. And then basically you can see it's starting up already. I'm gonna go ahead and push that in to the wall and get it all nice and flush again. And we should be ready to go. Hope that helps, friends. If it has, hit that thumbs up button. Let us know we are making good videos for you. And if you subscribe and stay tuned, we have a bunch more Google Thermostat videos that are coming out soon. Thanks for watching, friends. We'll see you again on the next one.